Hi, this is Keel's Garage. Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of practicality and style for your Ram 1500 with the quest for the best roof rack. Let's explore the top contenders to elevate your driving experience. Number 1. Armadillos roof rack for the Ram 1500 is a game changer. Unleash your truck's potential with this rugged and sleek addition. The design screams durability, and installation is a breeze. It's not just about style, this rack means business. Robust enough to handle any adventure, it's a must-have for off-road enthusiasts. The aerodynamic shape reduces wind resistance, ensuring a smooth ride. Whether you're hauling gear or making a statement, Armadillo's roof rack delivers. Elevate your Ram 1500's functionality and aesthetic. It's more than a rack, it's an attitude. Number 2. HookRoads roof rack for the Ram 1500 is a game changer. Elevate your adventures with this sleek and robust accessory that seamlessly melds style and functionality. Crafted with precision, it not only complements the Ram's rugged aesthetic but also offers unparalleled carrying capacity. From camping gear to kayaks, it handles it all with ease. The easy installation is a cherry on top, saving you time for what truly matters, exploring the open road. Say goodbye to limitations and hello to limitless possibilities. HookRoads has nailed it with this roof rack, turning your Ram 1500 into the ultimate adventure machine. Number 3. Tiger Auto roof rack, the game changer your truck has been waiting for. Unleash unparalleled style and functionality as this sleek beast transforms your ride into the epitome of adventure. Crafted with precision, it seamlessly marries rugged durability with head-turning design. Whether you're a weekend warrior or daily driver, Tiger Auto's masterpiece conquers every terrain. Effortless installation, rock-solid stability, and a design that screams bold, this roof rack is the undisputed champion for Ram 1500 owners craving both form and function. Elevate your journey, stand out from the crowd, and let Tiger Auto redefine your road experience. Number 4. Aino roof rack, the ultimate game changer for your Ram 1500. Elevate your adventure with this sleek, rugged marvel that seamlessly blends style and strength. Crafted for the Ram 1500, it's a showstopper in both form and function. The aerodynamic design not only turns heads but also minimizes wind resistance, ensuring a smooth, fuel-efficient ride. Installation is a breeze, thanks to its user-friendly design. Plus, the robust build guarantees durability on and off the road. Say goodbye to compromises and hello to a roof rack that redefines excellence. Unleash the full potential of your Ram 1500 with Aino, where innovation meets performance. Number 5. Tlaps roof rack. Automobile dashing away, elevate your adventures with this sleek and sturdy masterpiece. From its easy installation to the robust design, this rack screams durability without compromising style. The matte black finish adds a touch of rugged sophistication, turning heads on and off the road. Say goodbye to limitations and hello to endless possibilities. Whether it's hauling gear for a weekend getaway or showcasing your off-road spirit, Tlaps has you covered. Unleash the full potential of your Ram 1500, because your journey deserves nothing but the best. Tlaps, where toughness meets refinement. In conclusion, choosing the right roof rack for your Ram 1500 is crucial for a seamless and efficient hauling experience. After exploring various options, it's clear that finding the best fit for your specific needs is key. Consider factors like durability, weight capacity, and ease of installation. Thanks for watching, and here's to hassle-free adventures with your perfect roof rack.